Hey you guys, it's Jasmine and thank you for clicking on my video. Today I'm going to be making some homemade pizza rolls, so if you're interested, just keep on watching. So first we're going to start off with these Wonton Wraps. I got these from Walmart. You can find them in the produce aisle. And I'm going to take some Rayo's pizza sauce. I use Rayo's because I feel like they got the best store-bought sauce. And I'm just going to place some on each wrap. I'm using 12 wraps. And then I'm going to add in some shredded mozzarella cheese. You can use as much sauce and cheese as you want. You can definitely use more than I'm using. Alright, now I'm going to place on top some pepperonis. And then we're going to take some water. And we're going to brush the edges of those Wonton wraps with a little water. Trust me, this is going to make it much easier to fold. And to fold it, you see I'm just folding diagonal each way. Fold each corner diagonally until I get the perfect square, and you can kind of stuff it in there to help it fold, but that water trick really helps, guys. Now you see I'm all done. Now I'm going to make the sauce that I put on top. I'm going to use some melted butter, Parmesan, and parsley, and you just want to mix that all up. Now we're going to deep fry these pizza rolls on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 minutes until they're golden brown. And you can definitely, if you have an air fryer, you can air fry these to make them more healthy, of course. And then I put them in a strainer with some towel paper to drain that grease off. And then I'm going to toss that into my butter Parmesan sauce. And yes, guys, these are super quick and easy to make and super delicious. And now I'm going to plate them. I'm going to toss my pizza rolls onto a plate with some marinara sauce. You can just use the pizza sauce, but I chose to use marinara. And it's all done, guys. These are crispy and delicious, and it definitely tastes better than those store-bought pizza rolls. So if you like this video, definitely like, comment, and subscribe. And I thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.